Compressor issues can range from minor to severe, and can cause a variety of problems, including reduced air pressure, increased noise, overheating, leaking oil or air, compressor failing to start or stop, complete compressor failure. 5 questions about compressor issues. Why is my compressor noisy? Could be low refrigerant, dirty coils, worn bearings, or a failed compressor. Why is my compressor not running? Could be a tripped circuit breaker, blown fuse, faulty thermostat, or a failed compressor. Why is my compressor not cooling the air? Could be low refrigerant, dirty coils, iced up coils, or a failed compressor. How can I extend the life of my compressor? Get regular service, keep coils clean, replace the air filter, and don't let the evaporator coils ice up. How much does it cost to repair or replace a compressor? Anywhere from $500 to $2,000, depending on the type, severity, and labor cost. If you're having compressor problems, consult a qualified HVAC technician. Please check our description for much more and share and like.